Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create beautiful animations easily. Whether it's for children, marketing, or any type of creative project. The best part? You don't need any technical skills at all. You can create stunning animated scenes in just a few minutes using Canva. So without any further delay, let's get started. Right now, we're on the Canva home screen. From here, go to the video section and choose the type of video you want to create. For this tutorial, I'm selecting YouTubeVideo. From here, go to the Elements tab, where you can choose from graphics, photos, and many other design elements. I'm selecting graphics, and since I'm creating a scenes for kids, I'll search for something relevant. I'll choose this image and place it on the canvas. Next, I'll start adding animated elements, like trees, to make the scene feel more alive and visually appealing. You can add multiple trees or any other elements that fit your scene. Now, adding elements isn't the main focus here. You probably already know how to do that. So stick with me for a moment, because this next part is important. To animate an element, simply click on it, then click on Animate. From there, choose Create an Animation and move the element exactly the way you want it to animate, whether that's drifting, floating, or moving across the screen. You can repeat this process for each element in your scene. This is how everything comes together visually. This is basically how you animate any element you want. I'm doing the same with other scenes. Is meant to give you a starting point. From here, you can animate things however you like. There are countless creative possibilities. You just have to experiment and have fun with it. Now let's move on to the last scene. Here, I'll add some kids playing, butterfly, birds, and animate them so they gently drift across the screen. As you can see, this is how I'm building the complete scene from start to finish. This walkthrough is especially helpful for people who are new to Canva and want to understand how everything works. video gave you a clear idea of how to add animations in Canva and how the animation tools actually work. Once you're done, you can download your project as an MP4 video by selecting all